kitchen sink
Hey,
like.
Melissa, Palen.
Hi, Kevin.
Hey, Kevin.
Kerry, how are you?
Hey, Kevin, I'm well. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Thank you for doing our interior design
Yeah.
for us. So you guys are in the middle of it. I don't mean to interrupt, but you've already sort of expressed your style, what you hope, what you want, right?
Yeah, we sent her a document that kind of captured all our ideas. What she didn't know is when I was putting words to paper, I was just thinking about our store.
Right.
Okay. And it's not very fussy, right? I mean, there's no real formality in here.
Yeah, it's fairly casual, a little sophisticated, but still casual because the lifestyle of most of our clients is that way. They're looking for spaces they can relax in, pets, kids, family entertaining, and not worry about ruining the furniture.
Gotcha.
It needs to be easy care.
All right. Well, let's attack the space then. You brought the plans for us. Thank you for that.
Okay.
It's not a big space. You didn't start with all that much. What was the total square footage originally?
It's only about 1,400 square feet.
All right. So down here on the first floor, about 700 square feet. How did you guys attack it?
Well, we're looking in general at the flow and functionality of the space. So this patio and dining area is going to be relatively open, creates an easy walk and flow to the kitchen island, and then we have this 7-foot cased opening here that leads to the area that we're calling the library and the listening area. It's a relatively small area, so we want to make sure we keep it open, but allow it to function with still being part of this room. So I'm thinking that we put a pair of swivel chairs here, and then they turn back when you need them to address this area. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds great.
And then your thoughts for this side of the room over here?
Well, this side of the room, we're going to look at two options. One would be 2 sofas, one on this wall, one on this wall, with a larger table in between with a big lamp, a coffee table here, or a sectional. So we'll look around, Palen and Melissa will sit in things, see what they find comfortable.
Lead the way. It's
All
your
right,
store.
Great.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
This is great.
love it. Oh, look at this. This one's nice.
Oh, Palen, you look like you're settling right in. I think I know what you're voting for. Melissa, is this working for you?
Yeah, I love this couch. It's perfect. Yeah.
All right. Will it fit, Kerry?
It will fit, it'll fit perfectly in that space.
Okay. So the only thing I'm concerned with is white. Kids, dogs.
I
mean,
know, everyone thinks that initially, but this is actually a performance fabric, so very easy care, easy to clean up spills.
So does this work for you guys? Is it a keeper?
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
All right. So we have sectional, we have swivels, that knocks off that room.
Exactly.
I know you're going to stay with us, help us with some other rooms, and then you can do
We
that
are.
sort of magical thing that designers do, which is get them to the finish line.
Yeah, we're going to finish the rooms, we're going to make it feel like them and their home, and we're going to add those unexpected elements that just sort of pull it all together.
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing it, and you guys, well, just relax, all right? I'll leave you to it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.